welcome back to Eat with Darn. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under is a blessed day. Okay, well y'all, today my baby girl made dinner. But she did not want to feature with me today. She is, She's like, no, Ma. So I'm going to tell you what she made. My daughter say I'm going to curry y'all to death because, I love curry and they know I love curry. Don't care. Anyway, I got some curry chicken. She made some macaroni and cheese. But I made the what the hell is this again? Broccoli rice. I made that because I looked in the refrigerator. I'm like, oh, no vegetables. And then y'all, my son made the cornbread. So this right here is a plate of love. Okay, this is called the dinner of love. All my kids, my two youngest, chipped in and made this. I walked Cara through the making of the chicken. She made the macaroni and cheese all by her lonesome. I wasn't even home when she made it. Okay, so let's get started. How is everybody doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you, Farrah.
You doing good? Here y'all go. Yeah, that's caramel.
Her name is Shekinah.
Talking about her name is Shekinah. She hates that.
You made it up. That's so funny. I just kept going.
She hates that. You call her Shekinah, she be ready like, my name is Shekinah.
Nobody cares what your name is.
Oh.
Your name is Shekinah.
Yes. She been cooking with me all week, y'all. Anytime I cook, but today she made it all in. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, caramel, Shekinah, you did good, baby. You not gonna answer me? I know this cornbread got a lot of sugar in there. Cause I swear, I said, Kwani, you must be making dessert. You put a lot of sugar. But I guess that's how they like it, with a lot of sugar. So when I make it, they don't like it because, all that excess sugar, no, you don't need that. Ooh, y'all, I'm drinking this. I'm sorry. It's the, this came from Aldi's too. This is the sparkling pink lemonade Italian style soda. It's good. It is good. And I had some extra broccoli rice to go on top of it. Oh, if y'all ain't never had broccoli rice, it's good. A good little substitute for a rice lover like myself.
She need everything that ain't rice. And bread.
That right there is done. Kwani tasted too and said, Mama, that chicken tastes good.
Let me tell y'all something. When Quan say something good, when somebody look good, you know you really look good at this. He do not give out compliments.
He don't. He's so mean.
Uh-oh.
It is good. Clean a bone. Why am I stretching all the way over there? That's some madness. Y'all, don't be mad at me right now if I'm really focused in on this food. I mean, the chicken is, ooh.
It's so tender.
It's kind of spicy because I told her to make it spicy. So, yeah. And I know your auntie watching too. But it's kind of spicy, sis. Yes, it is. That's why it's called. Yeah, buddy, that cayenne pepper. Shoshana? Yes.
Another day, another dollar, y'all. That's my motto.
Take a bite. That's aggressive.
AKA your favorite part.
Is that the gristle? I don't know what the hell that thing's called. Oh boy, that chicken is spicy. Yes, 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 yes. Woo, the way curry should be. Look at that. Come on, y'all, get that. I'm proud of my baby. This chicken is full of so much flavor. Got something, you can taste the ginger. A lot of people scared to cook with ginger. But if you know how to pair it, it's very good. I mean, you could put it in just about anything, but some things it just goes very good with. And curry is one of it. And this right here is ginger right here. See that? That's ginger. You can eat it. It's spicy. Ginger is kind of spicy too.
I love ginger. It's so good.
Yeah, she's trying to eat it. If she got that in her place, she would eat it. This is good old home cooked Sunday dinner. That's one thing I always try to make sure I do with the kids. You know, sometimes it'd be busy and you don't have the time to sit down, but on Sundays, I love for all of us to gather and eat. You know, conversate, find out what's going on with each other. You know? If I don't cook no other day, I always try to make sure I cook on a Sunday. But look at that. My second oldest, she's a very good cook. And the little the little thing can bake. My daughter was just saying, oh, she missed that because she was going through a baking phase. She was baking every day. And y'all, everybody was happy. Y'all, she made this her peanut butter brownie thing. Boo! When I tell you that thing good. Mika could bake and Mika could cook. The only one that really don't love the kitchen is Shoshana. But she'll cook what she wants. And she can make this broccoli rice real good. Right, Mommy?
They be trying to come from my skills.
My baby like to eat, but she don't like to cook.
I hate the kitchen.
She hates the kitchen. And then today when my son said he wanted to make a cornbread, I was so gone. Girl. That's good. This is cake. It's sweet. That is good. She got some potatoes in with the chicken too. Which I like the bomb. Okay, I gotta call your auntie, cause she gonna cuss me.
Cuss her, TT, cuss her.
Yeah, I'm gonna get cussed out. I got cussed out yesterday by my baby. She called me cussing. I ain't hear from you. I'm like, oh hell. Been a bad girl. Hey, Trevor's birthday passed. Y'all. Sorry. I just had to take it. I couldn't say a thing. When you in the wrong, you just gotta sit there and be humble. You know what I'm saying?
And take your L. Say your A.
You just gotta sit there and be humble. I just gotta sit there and be humble. When I tell you my baby hair done grew. Girl.
What are you talking about, Mom?
Vagina.
Okay, then. So, I didn't make that known. Like, what are you talking about?
I don't want to say her name. I'm talking about Regina. Her hair done grew. It's down to her booty. That's what, if you take care of your hair, it will grow. She takes care of her hair, baby. That thing has grown. She sent me a picture yesterday. I was like, what? So how was your day, Shoshana?
I just said it was good, Mom. I said that at the beginning of the video.
Oh, my bad, you look.
Right.
My bad, you. Don't
Right.
make me stop cussing on her. Do y'all hear her? She want to come with that funky old attitude.
Man, you want to get a funky attitude? I just said.
You, Foodie Fam, you tell her to leave it wherever she was at. Leave it there.
I just said.
We don't want them vibes around here.
Oh, here you go.
You get what I'm saying? Oh, I got more chicken over here, but hold on. Cause y'all, I ate a lot of food. That's why I made this broccoli rice though to try, cause I really wanted some rice. But I'm like, nah. All that carb on my plate already. I just gotta get some veggie in. I looked in that freezer, wasn't no vegetable in there. But I had this. Well,
Y'all, Ewa darn give me such a hard time.
How you figure that?
Cause you never give me a thumbnail.
Oh.
It's too late. It's too late.
It sure is, cause ain't nothing on this plate.
It is way too
Ain't
late.
nothing on this plate, baby. I done ate up all my food, y'all.
You want a cookie?
Hell yeah, where it's at?
Yeah, she got. Can y'all get her, please?
Nah, she gonna ask me if I want a cookie. Yeah, I want a cookie. Give me. Dang, y'all. The food was good though. I didn't want from my mom. But oh, Shoshana. Can you do me a favor, baby? Why not? Can you just give me a 7-Up? You know. Well, that's one. I don't like big. You know what I'm saying, Pooh Fam? She gonna tell me no. Ain't this some crap?
I'm helping you out.
Wait, what?
Just know I'm helping you unconditionally.
Don't help me unconditionally. Oh, my word. Mm-mm.
You don't like your cake?
Hold on, let me get another bite.
Right, don't disrespect Quantum Cake.
Boy, I'm kind of, that's good. I could use some on top of it though. Maybe some chocolate or something.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Or some caramel.
Caramel would sound like it's good on some cornbread. Oh, stop it. That's not really good.
Why not? Who said so?
Oh my gosh, that's not what I'm
Yeah, what's wrong with him? You want what you want and that's it and that's all. I'm trying to unplug this thing because it's hot. I felt it. That was good, FOODIE Fam. Love you, loves. Bye.